Welcome. If you want to record slow motion video in Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, at first you have to go for the camera, open video mode and then tap on the right upper corner and pick slow motion. When you are here, we can finally press shutter button to record our slow motion video, and that's what I'm going to do right now. And let's take a look how it looks. As you can see here, we can also change the length of the slow motion by using this switcher manually. So we can adjust it like that. When you click here, you are able to check some kind of the information about that video. You can also make slideshow or delete straight from the device. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.